Come on, students. Good morning. Come on, join fast. Let's start the chapter. Come on. Very less students are there. Yes, students. We have covered actually after the YMCA pool event, and he was again full of fear, and he started uh, averting this from the water. He started actually he has a full fear of water once again, and after that incident he was very weak, काफी weak हो गया था, and he was afraid of water. He tried to avoid whatever he could do, but still he was a determined person, and he decided to uh, remove his fear of water, and in any cost. So for that, what did he do? Let's see in this. Okay, and because he was if he's away from the water, or if he's having still the same fear of water, he will be deprived of many water sports activities and all, like canoeing and this one, canoeing, fishing, and any other sports water sports activities. So he wanted to enjoy in water sports, and that's why he decided to uh, remove his fear of water. And what did he do to remove his fear of water? He hired an instructor. Actually, he hired a instructor. एक अलग से instructor hire किया. Yes, come on, join. Let's only 16. Yes. So up to this time we have covered. There were two incidents main. One was at California beach when he was just 4 5 years old, and at that time he was there with his father. And one strong wave actually it came and swept over him. इसके ऊपर से निकल गई थी. He was buried in water, and then actually that lasted a permanent fear in his mind of water. पानी का बिल्कुल डर उसके माइंड में बैठ गया था. And secondly, his mother also used to tell about a very dangerous river, that is Yakima River. She told that not to go there, and she used to tell the stories how many people and how they lost their lives. कैसे कितने लोग थे और कैसे उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी मतलब they lost their lives in the river. Okay, so okay, let's start the chapter now. And after this one, let's today we will try to finish this chapter, and tomorrow and one more day if we get, we will go for revision of this one, UT1, how the question will be asked. And so what it will be a full revision of the both the chapters. Let's see. Okay, I used every way I knew to overcome this fear. इस fear को, fear of water, he used every way, हर उसने तरीका अपनाया, and whatever he knew, जो जानता था, but it held me, but मतलब he was unable to remove the fear of water. पानी का डर उससे निकला नहीं, and the firmly in its grip, and he was firmly under his grip. grip उसकी पकड़ में था, grip of fear water, fear of water. And finally 1 October I decided to get an instructor. 1 October को he decided to hire a instructor. एक instructor उसने ले लिया, and learn to swim so that he could learn swimming. I went to a pool. मैं pool गया. Now after hiring the instructor, and practiced 5 days a week and an hour each day, means every day 1 hour for continuously 5 days, and he used to go for practicing. उसकी practice के लिए जाता था. The instructor put a belt around me. The instructor, he made a very special arrangement for him, because after discussion and all, the instructor, because he was very wise and very knowledgeable person, and he immediately he sensed the problem of Douglas, or rather you can say narrator की problem उसने एकदम से समझ में आ गई थी, and he used some new method, innovative method, एक नया method उसने use किया to remove his fear. And what was that method? The instructor put a belt around me. मेरे चारों तरफ एक belt लगा दी, and rope attached to the belt, और एक rope उसके attach कर दी, and went to a pulley and ran over a overhead cable. एक pulley के ऊपर से वो overhead cable के ऊपर से जाती थी, means it was moving from there. and he held on the end of the rope. एक end उसने rope पकड़ लिया, and we went back and forth across the pool uh, hour after hour. Means every day he used to have practice, because the instructor told him, if you are facing any problem or if you are feeling any sort of uncomfortability in the water, you just shake your this rope. आप इस rope को हिला देना और pull कर लेना. And he held on after our day after day, week after week, and thus they started practicing under the guidance or under the supervision of instructor. उस instructor के supervision में this was the new and innovative method the instructor used. Instructor ने एक नया तरीका अपनाया, and on each tip, हर बार across the pool a bit of panic seized me. थोड़ा थोड़ा panic fear दोबारा फिर उसको जकड़ लेता था, seized me. And each time the instructor relaxed his hold on the rope, और वो उसकी rope को relaxed his hold on the rope, and I went under. वो उसको नीचे चला जाता और वो थोड़ा सा rope को हिला देता था. Which means he knew that he sensed that he is having rope in one hand. उसके हाथ में. It means he was he's safe. A bit of panic seized me, and I went underwater. Some of the old terror returned, और कुछ उसका पुराना terror. Means actually whenever he was going in water, certainly he can't forget this thing, all this event, which it was actually remained in his mind for almost 13, 14, 15 years almost, and how it could be removed just within 1 or 2 months. So it took a lot of time. Every time whenever he was in water, the same type of fear it used to come in his mind. उसके दिमाग में वो आ जाता था. And the instructor relaxed his hold on the rope, और वो उसकी rope को ढीला छोड़ देता था. And I went under the water. I went under some of the old terror. जैसे ही वो जाते थे उसको अंदर पानी में, उसका फिर दोबारा वो डर वापस आ जाता था. And my legs froze, और उसकी legs stopped working, काम करना बंद कर देते. It was 3 months before the tension began to slack. Slack means ease. अब धीरे धीरे वो tension. It took 3 months to remove the fear from the mind at his now, because it was very normal. In a normal way, he started swimming without any fear, because now he had gained the confidence. अब उसको confidence आ गया. And then he taught me to put my face underwater. तब उसने underwater and how to inhale and exhale, कैसे सांस लेना है, सांस छोड़ना है, all this exhale, and to raise my nose and inhale, और फिर nose को ऊपर लेके inhale, अंदर सांस ले लेना, and then exhale. You can do it in the water, and then and inhale. He repeated this exercise hundreds of times. This exercise until unless he was very confident in, he was very skillful in that, and he kept on devising the same exercise. उसकी वो practice करता रहा. Bit by bit means small rather than say part. Bit by bit, I shed part of the panic. Shed away, removed the part of the panic. Panic means fear, whatever fear, and that seized me, जो उसको पूरे जकड़ देता था, that fear and all. He started removing it part by part, small pieces, छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में. And when my head went underwater, जब मेरा पानी के नीचे जब सिर जाता था, again the same type of fear it used to come, but he had started removing it piece by piece. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके उसने सारा all the fear it started vanishing away. सारा उसका जो fear था वो जाने लग गया था. Next, he held me at the side of the pool, and next he held me at the side of the pool. Pool की side में मुझे पकड़ कर रखा था. Had me kick with my legs, and उसने कहा भाई आप अपने leg से kick मारो, mean jumping into the water. For weeks, सप्ताह तक, I did just at first my leg refused to work. जैसे ही मैंने किया पहले सप्ताह में my leg refused to work, वो काम नहीं कर रही थी. But they gradually relaxed. धीरे धीरे उनमें relax होने लगी. Just relax, and finally I could command them, or finally whatever he was thinking, whatever he was commanding from the brain, it started acting. That started acting. उसी के हिसाब से legs ने काम करना शुरू कर दिया. Thus piece by piece he built a swimmer, or piece by piece he built a swimmer. उसने उसको एक swimmer बना दिया. There can be a very good question. How did the instructor make Douglas a perfect swimmer? how did the instructor make Douglas a perfect swimmer? Now, because when he hired, he was unable to uh, conquer over the fear of water. The वो पानी के डर को अपने उसके ऊपर कायम नहीं कर पा रहा था, विजय नहीं कर पा रहा था. At that time, finally he decided to hire an instructor, and the instructor was very intelligent, very experienced, and very skillful. Immediately, he came to know the problem of Douglas, the narrator, and then he used a very new, innovative method. एक नया सा उसने एक method use किया, and that method you can, and he practiced it and every skill of swimming, जो swimming की arts होती हैं, arts of swimming, one by one, he practiced even 100 times until unless he got the full confidence. जब तक उसको full confidence नहीं मिला. And finally it took more than 3 months, and when he started swimming very comfortably. Thus piece by piece he built me a swimmer, मुझे एक swimmer बना दिया. And when he had perfected each piece, जब उसने हर piece means here every part, different part means uh, uh, in going into the water, coming up and straight way inverted, just lying, just flat lying over the surface of water, and put them together into an integrated whole. And then he started using all the piece by piece first he practiced, and then in one swimming event he tried to do everything. उसने हर चीज. And in April he said, it means when he was hired in October, and in April it means almost it took 7 months, and now you can swim. उसने कहा अब आप swim कर सकते हो, and dive लगा सकते हो, swim, और swim the length of a pool, crawl, strokes and all, मतलब moving up and down in the water, moving up and down. And I did, the instructor was finished. I did, मैंने किया, and instructor was finished, and he has finished his rather than say teaching and all whatever, because now it was a matter of practice only, and more practice means he will be more skilled. जितनी ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेगा वो इतना ही स्किल होगा. यस स्टूडेंट्स 27, very less. Okay. Length finished, but I was not finished. But Douglas, he had not finished, because he knew now the art of swimming, but the fear was still not removed, and he was not fully confident. I still wondered if I would be terror stricken. उसको अब भी डर, I could wonder, अभी भी सरप्राइज था. If I would be terror stricken again, the same fear it will held me. दोबारा फिर वही fear मुझे grip कर लेगा, पकड़ लेगा. When I was alone in the pool, अगर मैं pool में अकेला होता हूँ तो again the same thing will happen. मतलब he was wondering this one, surprise. I tried it, मैंने try किया. I swam the length up and down. अप एंड डाउन मीन्स गोइंग टू द पूल, उस पूल में से एक साइड में जाके वापस आना. एंड टाइनी वेस्टेज ऑफ द ओल्ड टेरर वुड रिटर्न. थोड़े थोड़े जस्ट थोड़े थोड़े उनके छोटे छोटे लिटिल बिट रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द फियर अगेन इट यूज्ड टू कम, आ सकता था. बट नाउ आई कुड फ्रॉन, लेकिन अब मैं उसके फियर के साथ ऑल दोस थॉट्स, आई कुड फ्रॉन का मतलब गुस्से से देखना, एंड से टू द टेरर, और उस टेरर को कहता था, ट्राइंग टू स्केयर मी, मतलब मुझे डराने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. इट मीन नाउ ही स्टार्टेड गेनिंग द कॉन्फिडेंस. एंड वेल हियर इज टू यू, लुक, देखो आप, हियर इज टू यू, देखो, लुक, एंड ऑफ आई वुड गो फॉर अनदर लेंथ, and off, and you can go. I go another length, another practice for one more up and down the full length of the pool, पूरे लेंथ की पूल की दोबारा फिर वो प्रैक्टिस करता, दोबारा फिर प्रैक्टिस करता. दिस वेंट ऑन अंटिल जुलाई, और ये जुलाई तक चलता रहा. इट मींस टोटल टाइम. आई वाज बट आई वाज स्टिल नॉट सेटिस्फाइड. अभी भी मैं सेटिस्फाई नहीं था, अभी भी मैं सेटिस्फाई नहीं था. आई वाज नॉट श्योर दैट ऑल द टेरर हैड लेफ्ट. मुझे पक्का विश्वास नहीं था दैट कंप्लीटली आई एम फ्री फ्रॉम द टेरर, पूरे टेरर से बिल्कुल मैं फ्री था. So I went to the lake, Wentworth in the New Hampshire. New Hampshire में, this is the lake, name of the lake, Wentworth, and dived off, or dive off किया. dive of a dock at the Triggs Island, dock at the Trick Island, dock and all, dockyard and all, where the ships are parked, and swam 2 miles across the lake to the Stampak Island or दूसरे island तक. Just he tried to swim. It was 2 kilometers. He swam there, swam up to that another island. I swam the crawl, means all the different type of swimming that you can say skill, अलग अलग swimming की. For example, crawl, crawling करके with your elbow and the breaststroke only using the chest use करके, side stroke side में just moving in one side 90 degree, and the backstroke करके means swimming inverted. Normally we swim upside down, okay, and now swimming inverted, flat, lying flat, straight, and swimming that miles across the lake, and still only once did the terror return. और इस बार केवल टेरर एक बार ही आया था. When I was in the middle of the lake, जब मैं बीच में था लेक के. I put my face under, जब मैंने पानी के नीचे अपना फेस किया. Saw nothing but bottomless water, और कुछ नहीं दिखाई दिया, केवल पानी. The old sensation returned in a miniature. Miniature means for a short time, very small amount. थोड़ा सा फिर वो पुराना डर आ गया था. I laughed and said, मैं फिर हंसा और कहा, well Mr. Terror, भाई मिस्टर टेरर, आप व्हाट डू यू थिंक यू कैन डू टू मी, क्या सोच रहे हो आप, मेरा क्या कर सकते हो. एंड इट फ्लेड एंड आई स्विम, फ्लेड मूव्ड अवे, रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द माइंड, वो उसके दिमाग से चला गया. एंड आई स्विम, और मैं तैरता रहा. यस आई हैड रेजिडुअल डाउट्स, अभी भी मेरे अंदर थोड़ा सा रिमेनिंग डाउट्स. एंड एट माय फर्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी आई हरिड वेस्ट, went up to the uh, went up to the Tycoon, to the Cornwall Meadows grassland and all, which is actually near to that. These are the names actually. Okay, first उसने कोशिश किया Tycoon to Conrad Meadows तक, and up to the Conrad Creek, और फिर वहाँ Conrad Creek तक. Trail to the Mead Glacier, or Mead Glacier, it is a name. Okay, and the cramp to the high meadows by the side of the warm lake, or warm lake के पास से he went there, means while swimming, he went by swimming. The next morning I striped, or early morning, dived into the, I removed my clothes and dived into the lake में dive किया. Swam across the another shore and back, दूसरे किनारे तक गया, and again returned back, वापस आया. Just as a dog corporal used to do, जैसे dog corporal, it is a name, means he was trying to copy someone, so the way he was swimming, जिस तरह से वो तैरते थे उसकी कॉपी कर रहे थे. To do, I shouted with joy, मैंने joy, खुशी से मैंने चिल्लाया. And the Gilbert Peak returned the echo. And when we are speaking something in the echo, resounding again, दोबारा फिर sound आना. I had conquered my fear of water. मैंने अपने पानी के डर को conquer कर लिया था. It means he was now he became a perfect swimmer. अब वो एक perfect swimmer बन गया था. The experience had a deep meaning for me. This experience, it was having a deep meaning. काफी उसके साथ गहरा meaning था. And let's see, final attempt, only 26 left. The experience had a deep meaning for me. मेरे लिए इस experience का बहुत meaning था, because he was he was having a full fear of water. पूरा डर था. He was gripped, and all these legs and hands, it stopped working in due to the fear. इस fear के कारण मतलब वो काम नहीं करते थे. And for me, as only those who know known stark terror, जो इस terror को जानते हैं, they can only know that what is the importance of this one, and conquered it can appreciate. और जो मैंने इसके ऊपर conquer, winning over, इसके ऊपर जो मैंने विजय प्राप्त की है, जो इसको अपने डर को निकाल दिया है, एंड दैट इज अप्रिशिएट, मतलब वही अप्रिशिएट कर सकते हैं जो हैव एक्सपीरियंस, जिनको एक्सपीरियंस हो बोथ in the death there is a peace. Now he was having an experience of death when he was thrown into the YMCA pool. YMCA pool में there is a peace, बिल्कुल शांति है. In the last time, in the third time when he was going, he stopped all the efforts to save himself. उसने अपने आप को सारे efforts उसने छोड़ दिए. And there is a terror only in the fear of death. और केवल डर होता है in the fear of death. Terror only in the fear of death. Death के डर से केवल डर ही रहता है. As Roosevelt knew, जैसे कि रूजवेल्ट जानते थे, when he said, उसने कहा, all we have to fear is the fear itself. मतलब हमें all we have to fear, किससे डरना है? Fear itself, जो डर होता है उसी से डरना है, otherwise there is nothing. And because I had experienced both sensation of dying, मेरे पास दोनों experience है, sensation of dying, मरने की जो sensation थी, and sensation of dying and the terror that fear it can produce. और जो डर, ये डर पैदा कर सकता है. अगर डर से क्या क्या कितना पैदा कर सकता है, I know, I have experience. And the will to live somehow grew in intensity. And if you are having a will to live, it means you will win over the terror. You will win over this fear. इस fear के ऊपर आप विजय प्राप्त कर सकते हो. And at last I felt relaxed, और अंत में मैं I was feeling very relaxed, free to walk and the trails and the climb to the peak. Now free to walk, चलने के लिए freedom थी, and the trail नीचे उतरना, climb the peaks पे चढ़ना, and to brush aside, brush aside fear, और fear को बाहर निकालना, fear को बाहर निकालना. These were the chapter, the deep water. Chapter, the deep water. So in the deep water, what was the first experience? Yes, okay. So students, this chapter is over, and there are first of all, what was the fear he was having? We have gone through first, and first time there were two incident happened. One in the YMCA pool. YMCA pool, it is very important question. Sometime part by part also question can be asked. ये एक बिल्कुल part by part question पूछा जा सकता है. That what are the when he went first time, what he was feeling and how what he was planning to save himself and come out from the water. Second time, what happened? What was the effect of second time when he started moving? And the third time. And then how did he conquer over his fear of water? कैसे उसने अपने पानी का डर अपना निकाला था? And after that, this one, why? And first, initially, how he had that fear of water? कैसे उसने पानी का जो fear था, वो कैसे था? Actually, he went. He started this fear when he was 3 or 4 years old. He was just 3 or 4 years. This sort of question, multiple choice question, it can come. Okay. And father took me to the beach of California. California beach पर ले गया था. He and I stood together in the surf, means near the water. They were standing there. When a strong wave, actually एक बहुत ही wave, knocked him down and swept over him, and he was buried in water. He was buried in water. This was the second time, actually first time when he had a fear of water. जब उसको पानी का बहुत है, he had almost lost his breath. उसने अपनी सांस भूल गया था लगभग वो. Okay, so second time when he went to the YMCA pool, and third it was when he tried to remove his fear by hiring instructor, and he was finally successful. He was finally successful. So we can say that winners, they never quit. कभी भी quit नहीं करते हैं. Okay. Now first of all, now listen, students, for your UT exam, uh, there will be two chapters from the this one Flamingo. Two chapters. The chapters are first is the, I think, last lesson and lost spring. Last lesson and lost spring, and it will be of multiple choice now. No long question, no short question, all optional questions. There may be a paragraph, there may be a questions. So try to read the lessons properly. I'll also try to revise whatever time according to the time we will try to revise, or in any chapter if you want that it should be revised. Suppose last lesson, I think this chapter is quite clear. It is a one sort of story. Lost spring, if you want, that will be revised tomorrow. Okay. And then one poem, My Mother at 66. My Mother at 66. And from another book, there were two chapters. One more. Uh, First two chapters, I think we have done only two chapters, and those two chapters, first is the third level, and another one is the, which one? Third level, and let me see, one more chapter. And you are totally, it will be a multiple choice. Okay, only it means you have to go through the 4 chapters and one poem for your English UT1. English UT के लिए आपने केवल उसके लिए वो करना है. Okay, so in this, just two. Now there is no writing and all, only those chapters are left. Chapters are there for your syllabus, and tomorrow we will start revising this one. उनको एक बार revise करेंगे, whatever the topics are, whatever the time permits, we will start revising, and we will go in detail study, not only study, brief summary, and try to cover the maximum questions. And if you want to ask anything now, let me clarify your doubts. If you are having any doubt, you can raise your hand. Yes, okay. Sir, please unmute Alka. Sir, please unmute Alka. Alka, switch on your camera. Alka, switch on your camera. Okay. Sir, unmute Alka. Let us speak. Yes, Alka, try to speak if you can. Try to speak, Alka, if you can. Sir, unmute Alka, please. Sir, who is there? Unmute Alka, please. She wants to ask something. कुछ पूछना है उसने. Yes, sir. Please unmute Alka. Sir, please unmute Alka.
Good morning, sir. Sir, unmute yourself, please.
Yes, okay. Alka, you can speak now.
Sir, only lessons were coming.
Yes,
Well,
only lessons will be coming and there will be a reading section. Reading
okay.
section, multiple choice question will be there. Am
आर्टिकल
I
वगैरह तो
audible?
नहीं है सर? Yes, sir.
अब multiple choice